opportunity. My name is Bhanu Pratap Saini. I am basically from Bharatpur and currently lives in Alwar city, Rajasthan. Uh, I did my diploma in civil engineering in 2021 and uh, my BTech in civil engineering in 2024. Uh, currently, I'm uh, currently I'm pursuing BIM professional course from Unix Civil Academy. This course includes AutoCAD, 2D, 3D, Revit, Architecture, Structure, MEP, Naviswork, Tekla, and some more softwares. In this internship, I have done many practice projects according to AutoCAD and Revit, which includes some residential projects, some apartment project, etc. Uh, that's brief about myself. Thank you.
Okay. What is the use of Revit architecture software?
Sir, Revit architecture software is used to draw the architecture uh, drawing of a project, such as wall design, detailing and designing, and placing of door, window, and many more components.
What do you understand by scan to beam?
Scan to beam is the uh, process of. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
Okay. What do you understand by CAD to BIM?
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. And what are the types of array in Revit?
Sir, there are two types of array: rectangular array or linear array.
Rectangular array and linear.
And
Sure.
yes, sir.
Okay. Uh,
Sir,
how to calculate?
sorry,
Yes.
rectangular array and radial array.
Also not exactly. Okay. It's not rectangular.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. How to calculate FSI?
Floor space index.
Hmm.
Uh, Total area of the floor is. Sorry, sir. Not.
Okay. Okay. Uh, how many lectures you completed in Revit architecture?
Sir, 15 lectures.
What do you understand by massing and site concept?
Sorry, sir.
What do you understand by massing and site concept?
Sir, massing and concept is basically same as Revit architecture, but in this we draw uh, any building according to. Sir,
Hmm. भानु ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर मोर ओके
okay.
भानु मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है आपके कुछ वीडियो मॉक्स पेंडिंग रहे हैं ऐसा है क्या
नहीं सर, मैंने सारे कंप्लीट किए.
ओके थोड़ा सा वर्क और करो ठीक है इससे और बेटर हो जाएगा ओके
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
नेक्स्ट इज कृष्णा इज रेडी सो वेलकम विद कृष्णा and everyone drop the message कि sir I'm ready so according to that we can do that now welcome with Krishna then Tirth Krishna ready hello I think some network issues from Krishna side hello Krishna
हेलो.
yes yes ओके आई थिंक कृष्णा तुम दो एक उससे आ गए क्या एक लैपटॉप से
यस
या
सर.
ऐसा कुछ है क्या कि लैपटॉप मोबाइल या फिर दो मोबाइल ऐसा आ रहा है क्या
नहीं, मोबाइल ही है सिर्फ सर.
अच्छा दो मोबाइल
फोन
है
से.
मेरे सामने दो स्क्रीन तुम्हारी आ रही थी कोई बात नहीं ओके नाउ मिस्टर कृष्णा इज रेडी सो कृष्णा इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन ब्रीफ
Good morning, sir. Thanks for the giving the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Krishna Kumbhakar, and I am from Janjgir Tapa district, Chhattisgarh. Um, I have completed my Bachelor of Engineering from Rungta College in 2015, and after that, I have completed my MTech in Civil Structural Engineering from Kalinga University, and currently I am doing site engineer work in Mars Planning and Engineering Services Private Limited, and along with this, I am pursuing BEAM professional course from Unique Civil that includes AutoCAD, Revit, Structure, Revit, Architecture, um Naviswork, Tekla, and more other softwares. That's a brief about myself, sir.
Okay, what's your pass out year for MTech?
For MTech, sir, 2000, 2018, sir.
18. But your pass out year for degree is 15, right? So there is 1 year gap.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, when you take the admission in the MTech,
2016, sir.
16 you take the admission and 17 you complete. Okay, and what you done in from 15 to 16?
15 to 16, sir, I was working on a road project, sir.
Working on the roads project. Okay, so after 17, you started job in as a site engineer, right? From 17, or you
Yes.
just take the breaks also?
After uh, in 2017, sir, I was working on a bridge project. Along with this, I was also doing my MTech, sir.
But your 17 your master was completed, na?
Yes, 2018.
Okay, okay, okay. In 18 is completed. Okay,
Yes.
after that,
After that, I have joined Mars Planning and Engineering Services Private Limited, in which works on water supply projects, sir. That includes water treatment plant and pipeline work, sir.
okay, and I that is completed till 21, 22 कब तक किया?
Working, sir.
Yes, yes, means from you just joined that water treatment plant, right? Job. So in which year you joined that and when you left this job?
So, I have joined in July 2018, sir, and currently I am working on.
From 18 to till now you are in the same company.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What motivate you to join from 18 to till now?
My motivation, sir, the work. I like the work. I like site work, sir, and I also want to join the sir every field of civil engineering. That's why I have done. I have ample knowledge of site, but in field of architectural and structural field, I am lacking behind. That's why I am doing this course, sir.
That means after this learnings, you will be switching the different industries, right?
Yes, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Because you want to go in every industries. So when you going to left
Yes,
our organizations,
yes, sir.
when you are going to left our organizations, you want to do that in different sectors, na? As per your
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right. So yeah, after this BIM, in which sector you want to go?
Sir, actually, after I will join Beam and as well as I also want to do in structural engineering, sir.
Okay.
Both field
So but in
and
our community there is a one profile for one person, na? So you will do the
sir,
freelancing.
maybe, sir, but if I have chance to do Beam and structure both, then I will be ready for that profile, sir.
But you don't have a knowledge of structure, na?
Structure, sir, I have purchased course from Unique Civil, sir, for structure, all in one course. And before Beam course, I was trying to do my structural engineering courses. But after that, after joining the Beam, I am totally focusing on my Beam course. And after that, I will go for the structural engineering, sir.
Okay, so you're going to learn the structures also in future, right? So
Yes,
okay, you are very like a risky candidate if I'll hire you, and definitely you want to explore in all the industry, all the discipline of the civil engineering. But if
yes,
you
yes.
spend 6 year in one industries or 7 year in one industries, how can you learn all the industries knowledge? Means in BM also you're going to spend at least 6 years.
Yes, sir. I have completed 6 years in this job.
गलत हो गया तुम्हारा, पूरा आंसर गलत हो गया, पूरा इंटरव्यू खराब हो गया। देखो, ऐसे हम नहीं बोल सकते किसी भी कंपनी को कि हम हर इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस लेना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? ये तो पहली बात तो गलत है। क्यों? क्योंकि हर इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस लिया ही नहीं जा सकता है कृष्णा, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
अगर और दूसरी चीज तुम्हारी, देखो, एक तो गलती है क्या कि 6 साल तुमने एक कंपनी में कर दिया इंटरव्यू के अकॉर्डिंग। ये गलत होता है जब तक कि तुम्हारी प्रोफाइल ना बढ़ रही हो। अगर तुम सेम प्रोफाइल पे 6 साल के लिए हो तो पहले यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क लग गया, ठीक है? अब इसको कवर करना है, तो इसके लिए प्री प्लान रखो अपने आप को। प्री प्लान कैसे रखना था? ठीक है, तुमको बोलना था कि आफ्टर माई कंप्लीट माई मास्टर्स आई जस्ट ज्वाइन दैट वन कंपनी फॉर द ब्रिज इंडस्ट्रीज, and I working there for the 1 year. I think approx 1 year you just work there, 1 year, 2 year, whatever. Okay, and after that I got the good opportunities in water treatment plant. There was a too much learnings. I learned a lot from that side, that projects, and after that I realized I need to improve myself in the software industries. I
Yes.
was I was passionate for the software industries earlier, but I did not get the right path, and eventually I just get the platform that is called Unix Civil. From there I just joined my internship in BIM, and then I learned a lot, each and everything from related to BIM. Then I feel confident about myself. Then I'll just realize to do the interview like yours, like a reputed company like yours, and I get the opportunities. So for that I just want to move my career in BIM now, ठीक है? ऐसा
Yes.
कुछ कवर करो कि क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरव्यू को लगे। ये तो मैं तुरंत बता रहा हूँ तुमको, इसमें भी फिनिशिंग और करनी पड़ेगी। मैं तो अभी तुम्हारे सिचुएशन के अकॉर्डिंग था, ठीक है? तो अगर नहीं किए तो देखो, सबसे बड़ा इंट्रोडक्शन ही सबसे मेन है, ठीक है? चाहे टेक्निकल पैनल होगा वो भी इंट्रोडक्शन लेगा, एचआर पैनल होगा वो भी इंट्रोडक्शन लेगा, राइट? तो
Yes.
ये नहीं बोलना है कि हम हर इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस लेंगे, क्योंकि तुम्हारा 6 ईयर जो है वो गलत दिखा रहा है वहां पर। फिर तुम 6 ईयर तुम्हारा बीआईएम में भी रहेगा, या फिर मान लो बीआईएम में जल्दी गए तो तुम स्ट्रक्चर छोड़ दोगे। कंपनी के दिमाग में ये रहेगा ना, इसको स्ट्रक्चर करना है, बीआईएम में छोड़ देगा, ठीक है? तो इसलिए इस चीज को ध्यान रखो। ओके, ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विथ यू इज व्हाट्स योर स्ट्रेंथ?
What's strength? Sir, I am a quick learner and self-motivated and detail-oriented, sir.
Detail oriented. Give me an example of your detail oriented so that I can realize you are detail oriented person.
Uh, if I am doing any project, sir, then I I want to learn every aspect of that project, sir. Uh, like currently, I am doing Ashish Hotel project, and in this project, I am I am going for the each and every detail of the project, such as the levels, about the dimensions, and about the
Okay,
uh,
you like to
and so
be
many.
detail oriented person, all right? Okay,
Yes,
Krishna, what's your salary expectations?
salary expectations, sir.
Yes.
Uh, that's what, sir, as per the industry norms, sir.
ओके, अभी तुम 30+ ही पा रहे होगे,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? 50 के नीचे हो या 50 के ऊपर हो? 50 नीचे ही होगे जहाँ तक है।
Approx 35, sir.
35, राइट? तो अब देखो, तुम्हारा 35 साल, चलो कभी ज़्यादा लेट नहीं हुआ है, ठीक है? 35 से अभी कैसा होता है कि बी में 35 फ्रेशर्स की लग जाती है, ठीक है? तो लेट तो
Yes,
नहीं हुआ है। बस इतना याद रखो कि हमें तुम अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो, नो डाउट, ठीक है? थोड़ा सा इंटरव्यू के लिए अभी से प्रिपरेशन हमारी और स्ट्रांग करनी पड़ेगी। ये जब जो एचआर के क्वेश्चंस होते हैं ना, इन पर
yes,
अच्छी पकड़ बनानी पड़ेगी, क्योंकि कभी कभी टेलीफोनिक में भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा सकते हैं ना। तो अगर इनके लिए
yes,
बेटर कर लिया तो इंटरव्यू सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा, और यही आपको रिमार्क भी करेंगे, पैकेज भी बढ़ाएंगे। अब तुम्हारा टारगेट होना चाहिए कि हम 40 के आसपास पहुंच जाए, और 40 बीम में पहुंचा जा सकता है, बीम के लिए स्टार्टिंग पैकेज है वो, ठीक है?
yes, sir.
चलो,
Yes,
थैंक
sir.
यू सो मच कृष्णा। और
Thank you, sir.
कोशिश करना कि इन पॉइंट्स में जो बोला ना, इन पॉइंट पे बहुत ध्यान दो, ठीक है?
Definitely, sir. Okay.
ओके जी, हाँ, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर विकास, विकास शर्मा। एनीवन एल्स रेडी? ड्रॉप द मैसेज कि आई एम रेडी। विकास रेडी हैं आप? नो, पंकज? Drop the message, guys. I'm ready so that we can do as according to that. Okay, and Sukdas, are you ready?
Hello.
Hello. Yes, Tirth, ready?
Yes, sorry for the delay, sir. I am ready now.
Okay, great. Guys, everyone drop the message. I'm ready. So that according to that we can do. Okay, Pankaj, after this I will take yours also. So Tirth is ready. So welcome Tirth. Everyone drop the message कि sir I'm ready so that we can do according to that. देखिए मैं क्या कोशिश करता हूँ कि सुबह में कैसे होता है कुछ लोग लेट होते हैं तो मैं उनको टाइम खुद ही दे देता हूँ. ठीक है. Let's come with Tirth Patel. Tirth ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay जी, very good. प्रिपरेशन नहीं है तो भी दो आप एचआर इंटरव्यूज दो. ठीक है. प्रिपरेशन इज नॉट दैट मच इंपॉर्टेंट. आपको इमीडिएट अगर मिल गया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तो कैसे करोगे वो सोचो. ओके. तीर्थ इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
Just a minute, sir. Wait, let me finish setting this up.
ओके. You can just go to three dots if you want to change the background. ठीक है. कुछ
Okay.
और कर
No, sir.
बैकग्राउंड चेंज करना है या कुछ और करना है. ठीक. बट आई थिंक ओके है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. ठीक है. ओके.
No, sir. Actually, we have a network. I had a network issue, so I was connected from both my phone and laptop. So now I'm switching to laptop.
ग्रेट.
Okay.
ओके.
We can start now, sir.
Okay. Now Mr. Tirth is ready. So Mr. Tirth, I just want to know, can you just tell me about yourself?
Okay, sir. First of all, very thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Tirth Patel, and I am from Gandhinagar, Gujarat. I was born and brought up here. I have completed my diploma in civil engineering in 2021, and then I pursued D2D. So I did my bachelor's in civil engineering. I finished it May 2024, and currently I am pursuing an internship training at uniquecivil.com. It is a BIM training program where I am learning various BIM softwares like Revit, SketchUp, 3ds Max, Navisworks, etc.
Great. Okay. Now Mr. Tirth, you just passed out in 2024. What was your project
Yes.
in college?
My project in college was metro systems.
Oh, material. Okay. What's your what are the subjects was in your last semester?
In my last semester, sir, I had irrigation engineering, advanced structural design, steel structures, and urban planning.
Okay. Right now you're doing the job, like you're looking for the job in the BIM sector, right? So can you
Yes.
just tell us what is BIM?
Sir, BIM stands for Building Information Modeling, where we make intelligent, smart 3D models for before constructing our buildings. So to analyze all the different aspects of building, like energy consumption, overall architectural appearance, things like that.
Okay. There are some dimensions in the BIM. Can you just explain us what are the dimensions involved in that BIM?
I can't recall all of them right now, but there are a total 8 dimensions. First is conceptual design, where we basically conceive a concept and then we can proceed further. Second is 2D, which is 2D drafting. And that's all I can remember right now.
Okay. What's your hobby?
Excuse me?
What's your hobby?
My hobbies are, sir, watching movies, series, animes, listening to music, or just spending some time in nature and traveling, things like that.
Okay. Excuse me की जगह पे यूज किया करो pardon please. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Pardon please. Okay. Excuse me मतलब ऐसा लगा क्या हो गया. ठीक है. तो
Right.
pardon please मतलब समझ नहीं पाया, सुन नहीं पाया. Can you just right? Pardon please. Okay. Uh, after 5 years, where you want to see yourself in upcoming 5 years?
After 5 years, I see myself as an experienced and can say very professional employee at your.
Organizations. Okay. How long you will stay in your company?
That's a bit difficult to answer, but let's say I do want to pursue my master's. So, but before doing that, I will stay for at least 2 to 3 years.
don't mention the masses. Okay, this is your own personal plan. For interview, you need to be say the critical answers. Okay, you can say कि I will be continue for the I want to join the company for the longer period because I'm fresher. I need to learn a lot. ठीक है, तो till now when I'll get the opportunities to learn new things, I will be stay in your company. ठीक है,
Right.
ठीक है। एमटेक आपका पर्सनल प्लान है, उसमें उनको क्या लग जाएगा, इसका दिमाग एमटेक में रहेगा, इसको हायर करने से लॉस हो सकता है, समझ रहे हो। देयर आर थिंग्स दे कैन बी थिंक। तो हमें इस चीज़ पर वर्क करना पड़ेगा कि एमटेक तो बताना ही नहीं है, अपना बिजनेस का कोई प्लान बताना ही नहीं है। ठीक है, हमें बहुत क्लियर आंसर करके जाना है कि हमारा ये क्वेश्चन का ये आंसर होगा। ओके ओके।
Right.
विच सब्जेक्ट लाइक मोस्ट इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग?
In civil engineering, my favorite subject is urban planning and design.
Urban planning and design. How to calculate FSI?
So FSI is a floor space index. We calculate it by dividing the total built up space by the area of our plot.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tirth. Nice to meet you. Just try to do the preparation related to BIM, okay? Because I think you're not aware about that much, right? Try to prepare.
Right.
Next time I'll ask the question from there. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, ji. Now next is Mr. Pankaj. Mr. Pankaj, are you there? And
Yes, sir.
after Pankaj will come with Sugdas. And else everyone remember कि अगर आप ready हो तो drop the message sir I'm ready, so that we can do according to that. Okay, great. Now Mr. Pankaj, introduce yourself in brief.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. My name is Pankaj Kumar. I am 22 years old. I have completed my BTech in Civil Engineering from DAV Jalandhar in 2023, and I am currently pursuing my BIM professional course from Unique Civil, in which I will learn about AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla 3ds Max, and SketchUp. And I'm quite interested in Revit architecture right now. Yes, sir. That's
Okay.
about it, sir.
That's brief about myself. Okay, देखो अभी तुम्हारे स्क्रिप्ट तुमने तैयार नहीं किया हुआ है। Second
हाँ जी,
thing, don't mention the age doesn't matter for us, ठीक है? So you can just say
okay.
कि I'm this and I completed my degree this year and I like right now I'm doing the internship in this sector. I'm looking to job for the job in the BIM sector, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Mr. Pankaj, what is BIM?
Sir, BIM in building information modeling, in which we create 3D design of a building in detailed manner so that we can know about the structural and architectural aspect of the building, and also the mechanical and electrical work.
Okay, what are the different level of developments in BIM?
Sir, LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 250, LOD 300 and 350, and 400 and 500.
Explain about all the LODs.
Sir, LOD 100 is conceptual design, and LOD 200 is sir documentation. LOD 300 is a 3D design, and then LOD 350
ये क्यों हो रहा है? क्योंकि हमारी प्रैक्टिस कम हुई है।
हाँ
नहीं
जी
पता,
सर,
तूने गड़बड़ कर दिया, आंसर ही गलत कर दिया था। तो देखो इससे
हाँ
क्या
जी,
होता है कि अगर हम बार बार मॉक नहीं करेंगे ना अटेंड, तो
हाँ
ये
जी सर,
चीज प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है पंकज, क्योंकि हमारी हैबिट खत्म हो जाती है इस चीज को लेके। गॉट इट?
हाँ जी सर,
ओके,
हाँ जी।
व्हाट्स योर स्ट्रेंथ?
Sir, my strength are I am self-motivated, hardworking, empathetic, and a quick learner.
गिव मी एन एग्जांपल ऑफ सेल्फ मोटिवेटेड पर्सन यू आर। हाउ कैन आई accept you are a self motivated person?
Sir, self-motivated in a sense that I am very inclined to like BIM. No one really don't know about BIM in my household. So I myself research about this. They were asking me to just join the design industry, but I was like, I want to go fully fledged and know about design in well manner, in a well detailed manner.
Okay, how much you complete RC's hotel project?
Sir, I have completed sir main framing, main structure. Yes, sir. I have completed all that, and now I just need to work on the design and topography.
What's your weakness?
Sir, my weakness is that I get stuck on some parts like when I am finishing a project, then sometimes I just get stuck on some things that take some time. Like sometime I will get stuck on a void extrusion or extrusion for about an 20 to 30 minutes on a very simple task. But because I want to give it a perfect finish, but sometimes it doesn't come out like I imagine in mind.
Okay. What do you like to do at your free time?
Sir, I like to play games. I like to listen to music,
Which game you
and
like
I
most?
sir right now I am playing God of War.
Okay, video means indoor games you like, outdoor
Yes, sir,
games.
indoors. Yes, sir, indoors.
Okay. What's your salary expectation, Pankaj?
Sir, right now I am a fresher, so I am expecting, sir, more than 3 lakhs.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
थैंक यू सो मच पंकज, दिस वाज नाइस टू टॉक विद यू। पंकज, आप मॉक कम अटेंड कर रहे हो, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है, ठीक है, क्योंकि जो आंसर्स कर रहे हो उसमें वो क्लैरिटी नहीं आ पा रही, समझ रहे हो? अभी
हाँ
जैसे
जी सर।
आपने दूसरे लोगों को मॉक देखे ना, तो इसमें
हाँ
क्या
जी।
हो, वो जो क्वेश्चंस का मैंने सेट दिया हुआ है, उस सेट में सब कुछ
हाँ जी।
दिया हुआ है कि कैसे इंट्रोड्यूस करना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि
हाँ जी
इंट्रोडक्शन
सर।
से ही 30% कवर हो जाता है। ओके,
हाँ
ओके,
जी सर।
नो इशू, जस्ट ट्राई टू प्रिपेयर, यू हैव अ टाइम, यू कैन बी डू दैट। ओके,
हाँ जी सर।
okay ji. Now next is Mr. Subdas. Mohit, you are ready, and Tejaswini, you are ready. Drop the message ki sir I am ready, so that we can do according to that. Now come with Subdas. Else anyone ready? Drop the message कि I am ready. ठीक है, Subdas ready? Maybe he is not ready now. So come with Mohit. Mohit, ready? Okay. Anyone else ready? Drop the message कि I am ready. Okay, let's come with Mohit and drop the message everyone. Okay. Sajid, drop the message, and anyone else ready? Mohit, you need to on your camera and mic both. Perfect. There's some network issues also.
Yes, sir.
There is some network issues.
Sir, it's raining today. That's why I think there might be network issue.
Yes, no issue. We'll manage. Okay, introduce yourself.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are. Introduce yourself.
Okay. So my name is Mohit Sinwal, and first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to represent myself. I am 23 years old, and I did my diploma and BTech from CT Group of Institutions, Jalandhar. And currently, I am doing BIM professional course from Unique Civil, where I learn various BIM softwares like AutoCAD, Revit, Navisworks, Tekla, and a little bit more softwares. And that's brief about myself.
You pass out year?
So the current year is my pass out,
Current year.
2024.
And you joined one in your organizations also, right? You're working right now?
Yes, sir, I'm working in a structure firm.
Structure firm. What's your job responsibilities there?
So my job responsibilities are, sir, I am a draftman as well as I'm learning Stat Pro.
You are draftman and also learning stat. Okay.
Yes.
So what type of drafting you doing there? Like architecture or structure both, or architecture only?
Sir, only structural drawings.
Only structural drawings. Okay.
Yes.
So in that steel structure also, or only RCC?
So steel as well.
Steel as
RCC and steel both.
well. Okay. What is GA drawings?
So what?
What is
Yeah.
GA drawings? GA
What?
drawings.
GA drawings?
Yes. What do you understand by shop drawing?
Sir, I'm not aware about this.
Okay. Like, did you know about fabrication drawing?
Yes, sir.
What is fabrication drawing?
So fabrication is the like drawing which we have to, there are various components which we have to fabricate at the site.
At the site. Okay.
Yeah.
Recently, which steel project you completed and what was your role?
So recently we have completed a residential project, and it was like one building of residential and another was, the second floor was commercial type, and I made its staircase details.
Staircase details.
Yes, sir.
What is notching in staircase? Notching in staircase.
So nosing is a part between, I can say, between tread and riser. There's a slightly curved piece that is placed on the top of the riser, I can say.
Okay.
It is good for architectural purpose.
What is blusters?
So baluster.
Yeah.
So uh, baluster is situated near the first railing. It is like one of the thickest pipe on the start and end of the staircase.
Okay. And till now, what was the difficult project and how you tackle that?
Sir, my the most difficult project was, it was not difficult, but it was like that I was not experienced about that, and that project was it was a truss. It was a truss, and I made the truss first time in AutoCAD, and it was like it is a steel member, and that I learned from the another draftsman which was behind me, and I made various components of the truss
Okay.
the
So
first time.
you use that purlin also?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which type of purlin you use there?
So it was a rectangular hollow purlin. It was a RHS section. Might be 200 and 100 by 6 size it was.
Okay. Did you provide any connections also?
Yes, sir.
What type of connection you use there?
Sir, I can't recall the name, but there it was a base plate and the, the screw
Apex
connection.
hunges used there. In
What's
plate, in
Can you
plate,
repeat?
in plate, pin plate, apex hunges. Any type of connection used there?
No, sir.
Did
We
not use.
didn't connect.
Okay, no issues. What is the use of development length?
So development length is the, like it is provided in the RCC structures in the foundation part. So the foundation is properly attached to the column. It is provided for the good bond with the column and the foundation.
Okay. What are the structural detailings we need to do in beam?
So can you repeat, please?
What are the structural detailings we need to do in beam section? Beam.
In beam section, so we have to do various structure detailings, like we have to provide the cover according to the section, and we have to provide the specific length of the extra bars, the throughout bars, and the spacing between the bars, and the stirrups and their spacing, stirrups, and development length also. And these are the main things.
Okay. How much extra bar we can provide?
So we can provide only once like extra bars. There are, first of all, there are through bars, and under that we can provide only once extra bars.
There's some specific distance also.
So specific distance, I only know that we provide spacer bars in between through bars and extra bars, and that is the specific distance.
Okay.
It's around like 25 to 30.
From how many
30.
months you are doing this job?
Sir, it's been 3 months.
3 months.
Yes.
Okay. Why you want you want to left this job and you want to switch yourself in BM?
So because if I have to go in structures, then I have to do MTech. It's compulsory. And in BIM, it's not compulsory to do MTech. And I have interest. I found my interest in BIM, so I want to go in BIM because BIM is the future ahead.
ओके थैंक यू सो मच मोहित मोहित इसमें ध्यान दो कि पहली बात तो स्ट्रक्चर के लिए एमटेक जरूरी नहीं है, ये तो अपवाद है, ठीक है। बीटेक इज
Okay.
सफिशिएंट आल्सो, ठीक है, फॉर द 80% कंपनी। ओनली 20% कंपनीज रिक्वायर द मास्टर्स। ओके। सेकंड
Okay.
चीज क्या होता है कि जैसे हमने बोला कि अभी ठीक है, अभी मैं समझ गया तुम्हें क्यों नहीं समझ आ रही चीजें। क्योंकि तुम्हारा केवल 3 महीने हुआ है, अभी तुम्हारे पास ज़्यादा प्रोजेक्ट आए नहीं है, ठीक है।
Yes,
अभी
sir.
जैसे तुमने जी ड्राइंग बोला, अभी स्टील ड्राइंग तुमने बोल दिया स्टील डिटेलिंग करता हूँ। स्टील डिटेलिंग का पहला काम है जी ड्राइंग बनाना, ठीक है, जनरल अरेंजमेंट ड्राइंग बोलते हैं उसको, ठीक है, वो करना ही पड़ेगा। ठीक है, दूसरा काम है कि हर एक तरह की ड्राइंग मिला के सॉफ्ट ड्राइंग बनाना है, सेट ऑफ ऑल द ड्राइंग इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट ड्राइंग, ठीक है। अब तुमने नहीं बताया, मैं समझ गया कि तुम उस पे वर्क नहीं किए हो, फिर जब तुमने 3 मंथ बोला तो मैंने जज कर लिया कि हाँ अभी नहीं किए हो, ठीक है। तो हमें वर्ड्स पे ध्यान देना है। दूसरी चीज, इसमें आर्किटेक्चर जरूर यूज करो। स्ट्रक्चर में बहुत से क्वेश्चंस बन रहे थे और बट मुझे पता था तुम नहीं कर पाओगे अभी आंसर आगे का, क्योंकि तुमने 3 1 जब बोल दिया तो वहीं पे स्टॉप हो गया, ठीक है। तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए, हमें स्ट्रक्चर और आर्किटेक्चर बोथ, वी आर डूइंग द ड्राफ्टिंग रिलेटेड टू स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड आर्किटेक्चर बोथ, ठीक है। क्यों?
Okay,
तो
sir.
आर्किटेक्चर में क्वेश्चन कम बनते हैं, क्या बनेंगे, सेक्शन एलिवेशन के बीच में डिफरेंस क्या होती है, वॉल की थिकनेस कितना प्रोवाइड करते हो, कॉमन क्वेश्चन है, ठीक है। तो क्यों
Yes,
ना हम उसका
yes.
फायदा उठाएं। और बीआईएम की जो मॉडलिंग है उसमें तो आर्किटेक्चर पार्ट ही ज्यादा रहता है, ठीक है। तो यू कैन से
Yes,
कि
sir.
आई एम अ ड्राफ्टमैन and I'm doing the drafting related to structural drafting and architectural drafting both। और कोशिश करो स्टैट को मत यूज करो, ठीक है। rather than stat pro you can say कि like with that I'm doing the intensive related to BIM, with that I'm doing the Revit software and Triple software। क्यों? तुमने जैसे स्टैट प्रो का नाम ले लिया ना, अपने सिर पर खुद ही एक प्रॉब्लम ले लिया। क्यों? अब मैं पूछूंगा सेस्मिक जोन कितने होते हैं, बेस ईयर क्या होता है, एक्सियल लोड क्या होता है, मैं एलिजिबल हो गया ना। मैंने स्टैट पर सीखा हुआ है, वो तो कैलकुलेटर है। तुमको लग रहा है कि कैलकुलेटर में ऐसे लोड प्रोवाइड कर दिया, बट पूछूंगा लोड के टाइप कितने होते हैं, ठीक है। यूवीएल कहाँ लगाएंगे, सपोर्ट कहाँ पर यूज करेंगे, कौन सा सपोर्ट कहाँ पर यूज होना चाहिए, ठीक है। बहुत से क्वेश्चन बन गए एक वर्ड यूज करने से स्टैट को, और मुझे एलिजिबिलिटी मिल गई। जैसे तुमने बोला ना स्ट्रक्चर ड्राफ्टमैन, मुझे एलिजिबिलिटी मिली, मैंने ढेर सारे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिए। तो वर्ड्स देखो, अभी जैसे कृष्णा, अभी तुम तो लेफ्ट कर गए थे, तुमने नहीं ध्यान दिया, कृष्णा के एक वर्ड से कृष्णा का पूरा इंटरव्यू इधर से उधर हो गया, ठीक है। इन चीज पर हमें ध्यान देना पड़ता है कि वर्ड्स क्या यूज कर रहे हैं प्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज में, और एज मत यूज करो, एज मैटर नहीं करता है, ठीक है। यहाँ पर नॉलेज मैटर्स करता है, ठीक है। क्योंकि हो
Okay.
सकता है वहाँ पर कोई सीनियर प्रोफाइल का जॉब हो, ठीक है, अवेलेबल उनके पास, तो क्या पता मेरा एज वहाँ पर कम हो, ठीक है, उस प्रोफाइल को वर्क करने के लिए। तो बेटर आंसर इज एज रेज्यूमे, वहाँ पर लिखा हुआ ऑलरेडी रिज्यूमे, इफ दे वांट टू चेक दे कैन डू, राइट। ओके,
Okay.
थैंक यू सो मच मोहित, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन दिस थिंग्स, बाकी सब सही है, ठीक है।
Thank you, sir.
ओके ओके जी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर साजिद, बोल रहे हैं कि नेटवर्क इशू है, क्या बोलते हैं, इंटरव्यू राइट नाउ आई एम ओनली हियर टू लिसन। अच्छा जी, ठीक है। सॉरी, सुखदास बोल रहे हैं कि नेटवर्क इश्यूज है, तो इसलिए बोल रहे हैं कि प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुआ है। तो रेडी कौन है गाइस? विकास इज रेडी, वेरी गुड। विकास ऑन योर माइक प्लीज। एनीवन एल्स रेडी? ड्रॉप द मैसेज कि आई एम रेडी, ठीक है। आफ्टर विकास सुखदास इज रेडी, सो सुखदास रेडी रहेंगे। और कोई है तो ड्रॉप मैसेज प्लीज। नहीं रेडी हो वो भी बता दो, ठीक है, बट रेडी हो तो मैसेज, ठीक है। विकास, मिस्टर विकास।
Hello, sir.
यस,
Good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग।
Sir,
ओके,
can I start?
यस यस यू कैन बी, जस्ट वेट। लाइक अभी याद रखो जैसे कि अभी अपन ठीक है, ठीक, ओके, नो इशू, ऑल गुड। ओके, बिकॉज इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन ब्रीफ।
First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Vikas Sharma. I am basically from Gwalior MP district, and currently I am living in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. And about my education, I did my BE in 2014 in BE Civil Engineering. And after completion of my engineering, I have worked in various companies. First of all, in first company that was my building related works as a site engineer, and after that I was switched into water supply projects, and I have worked in three companies in various years as a and various positions like from site engineer to field quality engineers. And currently I am working in water supply project Rajasthan as a field quality control engineer, and as well as I am doing BIM course, in which in this course there are various components like various topics like 2D, 3D, and BIM architecture, BIM structure, BIM MEP, Navisworks, Tekla, etc.
Okay, just explain
Thank
about
you.
your pass out year, Vikas.
So my pass out year is 2014.
2014, right?
Yes, sir.
From
Yes.
14, just explain about your experience.
Okay, from 14th, I have around 6 years experience, and I have started work from 16, and before that, I was preparing for government exams like GATE and any others, junior engine position like this.
No,
And from
just clearly explain about from 16, oh sorry, from 14 when you joined the first company and then second company. Just I want brief that experience.
okay. I have joined my first company from 16, and with 16 to 17 first company in building site engineering works. From 17 to 19 I have worked in water supply projects in one company which is Rayan Water Tech, which is in headquartered in Kolkata. And from 19 to 23 I have worked in UP in a water supply project in Ganesh infra projects
Hmm.
as a site engineer. And after that I'm currently doing from pursuing currently working in Rajasthan as a field quality control engineer.
Field quality control engineer from last which year?
23, which is
23.
from 2024.
23 to till now you're doing that, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Vikas, why you want to make a career in BIM?
Sir, because I have a lot of around 6 years experience as a site engineer. So I want to switch, and I have uh, about experience how works in site engineer and what problems we have to face. So from that situation now, I want to be uh, I want to work as a software role in this field. So I think that BIM is a best course for this from site engineer to of a job. And BIM is huge scope in future as well.
Mhm. Right answer नहीं आ पाया, ठीक है. uh, my question is like why you want to left your current job and why you want to switch yourself in BIM? Again try to
Sir,
give answer.
actually, site engineers are actually there's a actually here the traveling more traveling there, and we have to there's no uh, uh, any permanent location where we have to work there. So we have to switch their villages or something like that. So from that concerns, I think I want to move in software industry so that I can stay in there, and I can work as a uh, uh, of a job.
No, you can't blame any profile, ठीक है. यहाँ पर क्या होता है, यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है कि विकास आप बात कर रहे हैं कि वो प्रोफाइल अच्छी नहीं है इसलिए मैं यहाँ से लेफ्ट करना चाहता हूँ, कंटिन्यू मुझे कभी भी कहीं पे भी शिफ्ट होना पड़ता है, ठीक है, ये बोल रहे हैं आप. बट ये आंसर्स जो होती है, आंसर मतलब हो गया कि जिस थाली में खा रहे हैं उसी को छेद कर रहे हैं, ठीक है. तो ये आंसर वहाँ पर एक्सेप्ट नहीं होगा. इसके जगह पर आपको ये आंसर ये करना चाहिए कि आफ्टर वर्क इन द लाइक आफ्टर completing my 6 year in the site engineering field, I feel ki there is a limited growth in that industries. I need to learn more things about the latest technology, in which I found the BIM is the best solution for me to upgrade myself. ठीक है, मैं ब्लेम भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ, लिमिटेड ग्रोथ बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है. तो BIM I found that BIM is the good field or good industries, not course, good industries in which I can be use my previous experience as well. Also, I can do new things. I can learn I can get the new opportunities in this sector. Also, like I was very much passionate earlier also to do the job in the official sorry, earlier I was the passionate for the office job, but I did not get the opportunities till and if I'll make my career in BIM, definitely I can get the office job as well as I can utilize my previous experience in the earlier projects। ठीक है, जो हमारे प्रोजेक्ट्स आएंगे उसमें मैं अपने एक्सपीरियंस को यूज कर सकता हूँ, और साथ ही साथ मुझे एक नया इंडस्ट्री में अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रहा है लर्निंग के लिए। ठीक है, देखो हमेशा क्या होता है, हर कंपनी पसंद करती है लर्निंग। ठीक है, तो
जी सर।
लर्निंग के लिए आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, इस चीज को आप प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं। यहाँ से आपका इंट्रोडक्शन अच्छा होगा। जो आपने बोला वो आंसर गलत हो जाएगा, क्योंकि आपने ब्लेम कर दिया उस इंडस्ट्री को। ठीक है, तो ऐसा कंपनी को लगेगा कि यार इसको हार्ड वर्क दिया जाएगा तो ये ब्लेम ही करेगा, टैक्स यूज करेगा सामने वाला। क्लियर? तो इस चीज के लिए रेडी रहो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मिस्टर विकास, व्हाट इज BIM?
So BIM is a building information modeling is a it it is a concept that works that intelligent works we can do some intelligent works and so that we can use various information for further use. And it is actually before actual construction we can make a model like a real model, so that we can apply these various things in real construction. So in BIM we can observe various problems which we can face in real construction. So before real construction we can solve out these type of problems before making any real construction.
What are the
So BIM,
different LODs in BIM? Explain.
so there are basically six LODs: LOD 100, 200, LOD 300, 350, 400, 600.
Okay, explain.
In 100 it is a conceptual design. In 200 is a schematic design, and 3 is a detailed drawing. In 4 LOD 4, and it is a assembly. In LOD 500 in assembly. In LOD 600 is as built, and LOD LOD 400 is sorry.
तो अभी विकास, अभी तैयारी तो करनी ही है, पहले तो अपने इंट्रोडक्शन पे तैयारी करो, फिर ये बीम के जो फिक्स क्वेश्चन है, देखो मैं कुछ नया क्वेश्चन तो नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ ना, मैंने बताया जो वही पूछ रहा हूँ, राइट? पहले अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन को बेहतर करो, ठीक है, उसके बाद इन पे थोड़ी सी तैयारी करो। ठीक है, आप लगे हो, आप जॉब के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रहे हो, मुझे पता है कि आफ्टर 6 ईयर आफ्टर 8 ईयर बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है चीज़ों को सीखना। ठीक है, आप टाइम निकाल के, आपके अंदर एक जुनून है कि मुझे करना है, ये बहुत अच्छी स्किल है। ठीक है, और बिलीव करो इस स्किल का कंपनी भी रिस्पेक्ट करता है। क्यों? क्योंकि इसके बाद बहुत टफ हो जाता है कि अगर आपको पैसे मिल रहे हैं उसके साथ सीखना बड़ा टफ है। ठीक है, नो डाउट जब आपकी भूख लगी हो तो क्या बोलते हैं, खाना हमेशा अच्छा ही लगता है, लेकिन जब भूख भी नहीं लगी है फिर भी हम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें अच्छा खाना खाना है, ये बहुत अच्छी स्किल है, आप इसको करते रहिए। लेकिन अभी तैयारी और करना पड़ेगा, दिख रहा होगा इंट्रोडक्शन पे, बीम के इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पे। ठीक है, इस पर और तैयारी करिए। बाकी होप सो नेक्स्ट टाइम और मॉक मत छोड़िए, कोई भी मॉक छोड़ना नहीं है। प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुआ है फिर भी देना है। क्यों? अभी देखो कुछ ऐसा तो पूछा नहीं, आपको लर्निंग मिली कि नहीं मिली? आपको
Yes.
इंट्रोडक्शन पे लर्निंग मिल गई, एलओडीज पे लर्निंग मिल गई, तो इनको हमें वर्क करना है। ठीक है,
तो
चलो।
सर
ओके,
ये सर जो मॉक इंटरव्यू का रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा ना?
हाँ रिकॉर्डिंग मिल जाएगा ना, अभी इसको
ओ,
रिकॉर्डिंग अभी मैंने प्लान किया हुआ है, आपको रिकॉर्डिंग हार्डली 11 बजे मिल जाएगी। स्किल्स गुरुकुल के यूट्यूब चैनल पे चले जाना, डायरेक्ट 11 बजे मिल जाएगा। ठीक है,
ओके सर, थैंक यू।
ओके जी। हाँ, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर तेजस। मिस्टर तेजस, आर यू रेडी? एनीवन एल्स रेडी? ड्रॉप द मैसेज कि आई एम रेडी। आई थिंक लगभग सबका ही हमने हो गया है हम लोग का मॉक। ठीक है, ओके, स्कोर ऑफ द डे। यस यस मोहित, आपका स्कोर है 4 आउट ऑफ 10, योर स्कोर इज 4। ठीक है, एंड विकास को 4, विकास को भी 4 मिला हुआ है, पंकज को 4.5, तीर्थ को 5, कृष्णा को 4 एंड भानु को भी 4। ओके, नाउ मिस्टर तेजस रेडी?
Yes, sir. Good
ओके
morning.
तेजस, गुड मॉर्निंग। मिस्टर तेजस, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ इन ब्रीफ।
Okay, sir. First of all, I would like to say thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Tejas Manoj Sarvelkar. I am basically from Sindhudurga, Maharashtra, and currently living in Mumbai. I did my graduation in 2023 from Mumbai University in Metropolitan Institute of Technology and Management. And then after that, I joined a full-time job in Randstad Engineering Services, where I am working as a junior rebar detailer, as well as I am currently doing a BIM professional course in Unix Civil Institute under the guidance of Akash Pandey sir, where I learn various BIM basic softwares like Revit Architecture, Structure, MEP, Navisworks, then Tekla, AutoCAD itself, and some other softwares. I also completed various projects under this internship, like G+9 apartment, Ashish Hotels, and some massing and sites project also. That's a bit of myself.
Your current role is
Junior rebar detailer,
junior rebar detailer. Okay, for the company,
Randstad Engineering Services in Mumbai, Maharashtra.
US based or Indian based?
UK based, UK
UK
or
based.
Ireland based.
Okay. The earlier I said with you can just prepare about the what are the codes they are using.
Yes,
Okay, what are the codes they are using for that work?
basically, currently for BBS and detailing, we are using 8666 2005 version. In that, there are various shape codes and BBS related information.
Okay, only this code you're using there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How your current experience is useful for our organizations?
Sir, actually, in my current job responsibilities, they provide us a structural requirement like size of bars and spacing, etc., or some different structural requirements. Alongside, they provide us a proper beam model, which are we are going to make in our firm. So we need to, in my job, we need to prepare general arrangements and other all things by myself, and we are observing that those beam models, we need to prepare a structural drawings, uh, detailing on various components like making elevations, sections of member to know the connection between various members or different things, where things get complicated, we need to 2D or 3D sections, we need to contact with our seniors or sometimes our clients also,
What are
etc.
the code
So
you're using for the 3D detailings?
3D, we are actually detailing on 2D, on which we are using CAD RC and AutoCAD software. For reviewing BIM models, we are of course using Revit.
Revit. Very good. Okay. What's the salary expressions they just?
Sir, my salary expectation is 30% hike with my current salary.
Okay. What you feel? Why BIM industry is booming?
Actually, BIM industry solves many of problems which are occurs during the construction phases or after construction phases. Before construction start, so we get a very enough time to analyze those all problems and solve before the construction, as well as we reduce the cost of the overall project, because of we are solving those all problems before construction. That's why I feel BIM industry is booming.
Okay. What should be hiring?
Sir, I have enough knowledge of BIM useful software, as well as some theoretical knowledge also, as well as I am completed various BIM related projects in my internship time. That's why I am pretty assured that I can work better uh, for this job role.
Okay. Last question. Explain about all the LODs.
There are six types of LOD. That is LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 350, LOD 400, LOD 500, and LOD 600, where LOD 100 stands for conceptual design, LOD 200 stands for schematic design, LOD 300 stands for detailed design, then LOD 350 stands for I think something construction or
Documentations.
management related issues. Then LOD 400 stands for fabrication, and LOD 500 stands for building or build as a build, we can say.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tejas. This was nice topic. Very good.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Ji.
Thank
Okay. Now next is Sugdas is ready. So we'll come with Mr. Sugdas. Anyone else
Hello,
ready?
good morning.
Good morning, Ji. Anyone else
Good
ready?
morning,
Drop
sir.
the message. Oh, okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Sugdas, introduce yourself in brief.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity, sir. Myself Sugdas Chavan. I'm basically from Yavatmal, Gujarat, and currently live in Pune. I did my graduation in 22 in Jury College of Engineering and Management, Nagpur, and currently I am pursuing the BIM internship from Unix Hill. In this course, include AutoCAD 2D, 3D, Revit structure, Revit architecture, and in this course, I have done many practice projects uh, like residential apartment. And that's brief about myself.
Okay. Sugdas, explain dimensions from 1D to 8D.
Sir, there are 8 dimension. 1D is the research and site investigation. 2D is 2D drawing and documentations. 3D is we make a 3D model like structure, architecture, MEP, rendering, walkthrough. 4D is scheduling and timelining, and 5D is estimation costing, and 6D is building sustainability, and 7D is facility management, and 8D is safety management.
Okay. Explain all the LODs. Very good.
Sir, there are 6 types of LOD. Uh, LOD 100, LOD 200, LOD 300, LOD 350, 400, LOD 500. LOD 100 is conceptual design, LOD 200 is a detailed design, LOD 100 is a systematic design, LOD 300 is a detailed design, LOD 350 is a documentations, LOD 400 assembly, and LOD 500 is as build.
Okay. Why should we hire you?
Sir, I saw the opening on LinkedIn. I feel that my skill and knowledge are well suitable for these roles. I have done many practice projects related to this position. I am hardworking, quick learner, learn to new things quickly. So,
Okay. What's your salary expectations?
sir, I am fresher now. I have no idea about that. But as per industrial norms.
Okay, very good. बहुत अच्छा. Very good, Sugdas. Good improvement. Thank you so much. और ऐसे ही
Thank
करते
you.
रहो, थोड़ा सा कम्युनिकेशन पर वर्क करोगे तो मजा आएगा. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
ओके जी हाँ.
Thank you, sir.
ओके जी. बहुत बढ़िया. Now next is Mr. Asif is ready now because only I think Asif is pending. Else everyone is completed. और कोई तो नहीं रहा. ठीक है. गैस काफी लोगों ने सही इंटरव्यू दिया. ठीक है. बस इसमें थोड़ा सा जो गड़बड़ी हो रही थी वो आपके एक्सपीरियंस और गैप को लेकर हो रही थी, जिसका भी था अभी मैं अपलोड कर दूंगा. इसको देखिएगा आप लोग. ठीक है. क्योंकि जो HR होती है ना यहीं पे फंसा देते हैं, आपको नेक्स्ट राउंड में जाने ही नहीं देते. ठीक है. क्योंकि उनको नेक्स्ट राउंड में कैसे चाहिए जो उनके उन चीजों को फुलफिल कर सके. और बहुत इस प्रोफेशनल कैरियर में क्या है, एक वर्ड बोल रहे हो ना आप एलिजिबिलिटी दे रहे हो. जैसे मैंने मोहित को बताया ना, स्टैट प्रो. एक वर्ड है स्टैट प्रो. ठीक है. स्टैट प्रो से रिलेटेड इतनी चीजें आ जाएंगी. ठीक है. वो स्टैट प्रो की नहीं होंगी, इससे रिलेटेड होंगी कि आपको कंफ्यूज कर देंगे. जैसे कि भी क्या बोलते हैं, तेजस ने बताया रिबार. ठीक है. रिबार डिटेलर. अब मैं चाहता तो तेजस से मैं रिबार डिटेलिंग पे बहुत क्वेश्चन पूछ सकता था. ठीक है. बट अच्छा हुआ कि ये सेफ साइड निकल गए, ये BS कोड में चले गए. ठीक है. अदरवाइज बहुत ज्यादा इनको फंसाया जा सकता था. तो ऐसे कुछ चीजें होती हैं जिससे कि एक स्किल आपने बोल दिया. अब इंटरव्यू को तो मौका चाहिए ना. ठीक है. मैं ये तो नहीं पूछ सकता हूँ ना कि अडानी के कितने प्लांट्स है, क्योंकि उसका कोई सेंस नहीं है यहाँ पर. लेकिन जैसे ही बोल दिया मैंने आपने कि मैं अदानी सोलर पावर प्लांट में काम कर रहा हूँ, अब मैं बहुत ढेर सारे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकता हूँ, आपने ही हिंट दिया और हम ब्रीफ में चले गए, ठीक है। चलिए, आज आपको कोई प्रोजेक्ट नहीं दे रहे हैं, कोई वर्क नहीं है, जस्ट आपको आशीष होटल को पहले कंप्लीट करना है, क्योंकि नो डाउट एक चैलेंजिंग प्रोजेक्ट है आपके लिए। कल तक कंप्लीट हो जाए ये बहुत बड़ी बात होगी, ठीक है। और उसके साथ ही साथ गाइस एक लेक्चर कर लीजिएगा अगर हो सके तो, लेक्चर नंबर 16, ठीक है, बस ओनली वन लेक्चर, और पूरा टाइम तो दीजिए, पूरा टाइम दीजिए अपने आशीष होटल प्रोजेक्ट पर। इसके बाद जो प्रोजेक्ट करने वाला हूँ, ये प्रोजेक्ट सबसे बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होगा, ठीक है। मैं समझ गया आप लोगों का जो आज तो असाइनमेंट्स नहीं चेक करेंगे साजिद, असाइनमेंट्स कल होगा, आज से मौका डे था, ठीक है। आशीष होटल आप लोग कंप्लीट कर लीजिए, उसके साथ हम लोग सारे चीज करने वाले हैं। आशीष होटल को ब्रीफ में करिएगा, क्योंकि इसके बाद हम लोग जो प्रोजेक्ट है वो बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रीफ में आने वाला है। अब हम लोग डायमेंशंस जो हैं, जो वैसे 1D आपने पढ़ा, 2D पढ़ा, 5D पढ़ा, 7D, इनको ब्रीफ करेंगे, ठीक है। ऑल डायमेंशन इनको हम लोग इनके अंदर जाएंगे, ठीक है। और जितने एलओडीज आपने पढ़े हैं अब उनके अंदर जाएंगे, तो अपकमिंग टॉपिक्स हमारे इनसे रिलेटेड रहेंगे, आपको और मजा आएगा। तो बेटर होगा कि इनका इंट्रोडक्शन तैयार रखें आप, मतलब एटलीस्ट ये पता रहे सिक्सडीम होता क्या है, तब पता चलेगा कि अच्छा ये सर्टिफिकेशन कैसे कैसे होते हैं। ब्रीफ में हम लोग एक एक करके उनको डिस्कस करते हैं, ओके।
हेलो सर।
हाँ जी बोलिए
सर मैं बोल रहा था